Stop scrolling. If you are preparing for JAMB 2026, these 50 biology questions can literally decide your score. Most of these questions follow repeated patterns. Test yourself now and see how ready you truly are. Let's begin. Question 1. The powerhouse of the cell is the dash. Option A, nucleus. Option B, ribosome. Option C, mitochondrion. Option D, Golgi body. Correct answer, option C, explanation. Mitochondria produce energy in the form of ATP. Question 2. Which of the following is a function of the liver? Option A, production of insulin. Option B, deamination of excess amino acids. Option C, filtration of urea. Option D, storage of urine. Correct answer, option B, explanation. The liver breaks down excess amino acids into urea. Question 3. The part of the brain responsible for balance and posture is dash. Option A, cerebrum. Option B, cerebellum. Option C, medulla oblongata. Option D, hypothalamus. Correct answer, option B, explanation. It controls coordination and body balance. Question 4. Which of these is not a function of the skeleton? Option A, protection of delicate organs. Option B, production of red blood cells. Option C, support of the body. Option D, secretion of hormones. Correct answer, option D, explanation. Hormones are produced by endocrine glands. Question 5. The movement of water through a semi-permeable membrane is dash. Option A, diffusion. Option B, osmosis. Option C, transpiration. Option D, plasmolysis. Correct answer, option B, explanation. Water moves from high to low concentration. Question 6. Which of the following is a primary producer? Option A, grasshopper. Option B, green plant. Option C, fungus. Option D, lion. Correct answer, option B, explanation. Plants produce food through photosynthesis. Question 7. Deficiency of vitamin C causes dash. Option A, rickets. Option B, beriberi. Option C, scurvy. Option D, night blindness. Correct answer, option C, explanation. It causes bleeding gums and weak tissues. Question 8. In DNA, adenine pairs with option A, cytosine. Option B, guanine. Option C, thymine. Option D, uracil. Correct answer, option C. Question 9. The site of photosynthesis is dash. Option A, vacuole. Option B, chloroplast. Option C, cytoplasm. Option D, cell wall. Correct answer, option B, explanation. Chloroplast contains chlorophyll. Question 10. Maintaining a constant internal environment is dash. Option A, metabolism. Option B, homeostasis. Option C, osmoregulation. Option D, excretion. Correct answer, option B, explanation. It keeps body conditions stable. Question 11. Which organism shows alternation of generations? Option A, amoeba. Option B, ferns. Option C, spirogyra. Option D, mucor. Correct answer, option B, explanation. Ferns have 2 life stages. Question 12. The universal donor blood group is dash. Option A, option B, option C, AB, option D, O. Correct answer, option D, explanation. Group O has no antigens. Question 13. The smallest unit of life is dash. Option A, tissue. Option B, organ. Option C, cell. Option D, system. Correct answer, option C, explanation. Cell is the basic unit of life. Question 14. A vestigial organ in humans is dash. Option A, spleen. Option B, appendix. Option C, kidney. Option D, pancreas. Correct answer, option B. Question 15. Valve between right atrium and ventricle is dash. Option A, bicuspid. Option B, tricuspid. Option C, aortic. Option D, pulmonary. Correct answer, option B, explanation. Prevents backflow of blood. Question 16. Respiratory organ of adult toad. Option A, gills. Option B, skin and lungs. Option C, trachea. Option D, spiracles. Correct answer, option B, explanation. Uses lungs and moist skin. Question 17. An infectious disease is dash. Option A, diabetes. Option B, tuberculosis. Option C, scurvy. Option D, hypertension. Correct answer, option B, explanation. Caused by bacteria. Question 18. Hormone regulating blood sugar is dash. Option A, adrenaline. Option B, thyroxine. Option C, insulin. Option D, testosterone. Correct answer, option C, explanation. Insulin lowers blood sugar. Question 19. Nutrition in tapeworm is dash. Option A, holozoic. Option B, saprophytic. Option C, parasitic. Option D, autotrophic. Correct answer, option C, explanation, lives in host and absorbs food. Question 20. Group of similar cells is dash. Option A, organ. Option B, tissue. Option C, colony. Option D, species. Correct answer, option B. Question 21. Enzyme in saliva is dash. Option A, Pepsi. Option B, amylase. Option C, renin. Option D, lipase. Correct answer, option B. Explanation, breaks down starch. Question 22. Part of flower-forming fruit is dash. Option A, ovule. Option B, ovary. Option C, stigma. Option D, anther. Correct answer, option B. Explanation, ovary develops into fruit. Question 23. Evolution by natural selection was proposed by dash. Option A, Mendel. Option B, Darwin. Option C, Lamarck. Option D, Pasteur. Correct answer, option B. Question 24. Study of organisms and environment. Option A, genetics. Option B, ecology. Option C, morphology. Option D, physiology. Correct answer, option B. Question 25. Incomplete metamorphosis insect is dash. Option A, butterfly. Option B, housefly. Option C, cockroach. Option D, mosquito. Correct answer, option C. Question 26. Movement in amoeba is dash. Option A, cilia. Option B, flagella. Option C, pseudopodia. Option D, tentacles. Correct answer, option C. Question 27. Yellowing of leaves is dash. Option A, wilting. Option B, etiolation. Option C, chlorosis. Option D, phototropism. Correct answer, option C. Question 28. Male part of flower. Option A, carpel. Option B, stamen. Option C, petal. Option D, sepal. Correct answer, option B. Question 29. Nitrogen-fixing bacterium is dash. Option A, rhizobium. Option B, nitrosomonas. Option C, nitrobacter. Option D, E. coli. Correct answer, option A. Question 30. Liquid part of blood is dash. Option A, serum. Option B, plasma. Option C, hemoglobin. Option D, platelets. Correct answer, option B. Question 31. Physical appearance is dash. Option A, genotype. Option B, phenotype. Option C, allele. Option D, hybrid. Correct answer, option B. Question 32. Protein synthesis organelle is dash. Option A, lysosome. Option B, ribosome. Option C, centriole. Option D, nucleolus. Correct answer, option B. Question 33. Flightless bird is dash. Option A, eagle. Option B, penguin. Option C, hawks. Option D, sparrow. Correct answer, option B. Question 34. Loss of water in plants is dash. Option A, guttation. Option B, transpiration. Option C, evaporation. Option D, respiration. Correct answer, option B. Question 35. Functional unit of kidney is dash. Option A, neuron. Option B, nephron. Option C, alveolus. Option D, villus. Correct answer, option B. Question 36. Warm-blooded animal is which of the following? Option A, snake. Option B, fish. Option C, bird. Option D, lizard. Correct answer, option C, bird. Question 37. Cells for dim light vision is dash. Option A, cones. Option B, rods. Option C, lens. Option D, iris. Correct answer, option B. Question 38. Both organisms benefit what kind of relationship? Option A, commensalism. Option B, parasitism. Option C, mutualism. Option D, predation. Correct answer, option C. Question 39. Virus genetic material is dash. Option A, DNA only. Option B, RNA only. Option C, DNA or RNA. Option D, none. Correct answer, option C. Question 40. Wind-pollinated flowers is dash. Option A, bright petals. Option B, scented. Option C, light pollen. Option D, nectar. Correct answer, option C. Question 41. Gas released in respiration is dash. Option A, oxygen. Option B, nitrogen. Option C, carbon dioxide. Option D, methane. Correct answer, option C. Question 42. Cell division for gametes is dash. Option A, mitosis. Option B, meiosis. Option C, binary fission. Option D, budding. Correct answer, option B. Question 43. Rich source of vitamin A is dash. Option A, bread. Option B, carrots. Option C, meat. Option D, oranges. Correct answer, option B. Question 44. Storage form of glucose is dash. Option A, starch. Option B, glycogen. Option C, cellulose. Option D, sucrose. Correct answer, option B, question 45. Shoulder joint type is dash. Option A, hinge. Option B, pivot. Option C, ball and socket. Option D, gliding. Correct answer, option C, question 46. A decomposer is dash. Option A, algae. Option B, mushroom. Option C, fern. Option D, moss. Correct answer, option B, question 47. One of the following is a ruminant animal. Option A, dog. Option B, snake. Option C, man. Option D, sheep. Correct answer, option D, question 48. Part of ear for hearing is dash. Option A, semicircular canals. Option B, cochlear. Option C, pinna. Option D, tube. Correct answer, option B, question 49. Hormone for fruit ripening is dash. Option A, auxin. Option B, gibberellin. Option C, ethylene. Option D, cytokinin. Correct answer, option C, question 50. Basic unit of classification is dash. Option A, kingdom. Option B, phylum. Option C, genus. Option D, species. Correct answer, option D, explanation. Species is the most specific classification level. How many did you get correct? If you score above 40, you are ready. Below that, keep practicing. Subscribe and like for more real JAMB questions like this.